warm and pleasant morning to Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed educators and fellow schoolmates. I am Ansh Vikas of class 7 and I am your host for the day. I am from class 7 and today class 7 is going to present their morning assembly and the topic of the assembly is Arthashastra. The prayer is the exercise on drawing on the grace of God. Let's get inspiration from this beautiful thought and pray together to start our day. Now, I would like to call Aradhya for the morning prayer. Please join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head for the morning prayer.
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom comes. On earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins. As we forgive those who sins against us. Save us from the time of trial. And deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours. Now and forever. Amen.
Thank you, Aradhya, for filling our morning with positivity and faith. Now, I would like to call Akshash for the morning pledge. Everyone, please take the position for pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all others. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now, I would like to call Mishika for the thought. Call Amna for the motivational thought.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amna Fatima. I am from class 7 and today I'll be delivering the news. Before you start some work, always ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I doing it? What the results might be? And will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory to these questions, go ahead. This thought was given by Shannon.
Now, I will deliver the news. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ansh Vikas. I am from class 7 and I will be delivered the news. Delhi gets green plant makeover with 6.75 flowering plants and foliage for G20. Many private offices ask employees to work from home. Schools remain closed. Shop remain shut. CP and Khan Market closure will result in 450 crore loss, said traders. India's solar mission Aditya L1 took a selfie in space, so ISRO shared images of Earth and Moon. Thank you. Now, I would like to call Yamini for the speech.
Good morning everyone. I am Yamini Singh from class 7 and today I am standing here to deliver a speech on the topic Arthashastra. Arthashastra is an Asian Sanskrit treatise, statecraft, political science, economic policy and military strategy. Kautilya, also identified as Vishnugupta and Chanakya, as traditionally created the author of the text. The latter was scholar at Takshashila, the teacher and guardian of Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. Some scholars believe them to be same person, while a few have questioned this identification. The text is likely to be the work of several the 2nd century BCE and 3rd century CE. The Arthashastra was influential until the 12th century, then it disappears. Thank you.
Thank you, Yamini, for the speech. Now, I would like to call our music band for the song.